Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your current payment method is not valid in this store. Please enter another payment method. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're having this type issue that your current payment method is not valid, you have to enter a new payment method. So let's see how can you do that. So there's a simple way. You have to open your app store here, and the very first you have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. After that, you just have to tap on your profile in the top right corner, select your Apple ID from here, and now you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Then select your manage payments option, and here you'll get your payment method. You just have to delete your payment method from here. And once you have deleted your payment method, you have to go back, go for country or region option, and you have to update your payment method. You can re-add your same payment method or you can add a new one if you have. So now wait for the loading here, and after that select your own country or region in which you're living. Once you have selected, tap on the continue option, then tap on the in the top right corner, and here you have to enter your payment method which you want to enter. You can enter your old payment method or you can enter a new one if you have. So enter your payment method, then enter your billing address, your phone number, and your name. Once you have done all of these, tap on the done option in the top right corner, and your issue will be fixed. Your payment method will be updated, and you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.